Right now, Bitcoin is creating a bull flag, and I will be exactly discussing my price targets, the way on how you could be trading this, and much more. So after we yesterday successfully once again had another breakdown and another prediction here on the market, I will be discussing what is next for Bitcoin, but more importantly, I will be talking about the most important charts in crypto right now. I will be discussing the most important resistance and support levels, and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Yesterday we smashed it back above 400 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. And just like I just told you a moment ago, yesterday we were predicting that if Bitcoin is going to be having a breakdown from of this pattern, we will be most likely see further continuations towards the downside. And like you can currently see, exactly from the point we broke down of this symmetrical triangle, we did saw the continuation. So right now, 3 days in a row, we've been having a perfect prediction on where the price action has been going towards, and today I am making another prediction because currently I am looking at this Bitcoin bull flag. In case Bitcoin is going to be breaking above the top side of resistance, I am expecting that we're going to be seeing a further continuation towards the upside. However, if we really break bearish and especially break below this previous range high in the market, so if we break below this box and also break below the important downward sloping support line on this bull flag, I honestly think Bitcoin can fall down very quickly, and this could be playing out like a Bart Simpson pattern. So yeah, if we really break below this support, I honestly do think that there is going to be way more downside for Bitcoin going to come. So currently we're trading at a very key level in the market, and it's going to be critical. It's going to be important that we're going to be holding on towards this level. Yesterday, after we saw the breakdown of the symmetrical triangle, we did saw the continuation down, and also I talked about my price target around 20.2k, what also comes around this range high right here, right? So I have been talking about this range right here, that here is going to be some support going to be found. So yeah, it's going to be important to see how the market is going to react towards it. And just like I talked about yesterday as well in my Telegram group here, if we do confirm a break below the red box of support, I honestly do think Bitcoin is going to fall down very quickly in a very rapid pace towards the downside once again, because what is going to be happening at that point is that we're basically confirming that this very important level of previous resistance in the market is significantly not providing support, and that is definitely a very bearish development for the market. So in case we really see that break below this very important range in the market right here, I honestly do expect the market is going to be seeing way more downside. However, if we do break above the top side of the bull flag pattern, we could be in for another swing all the way back up towards levels around 22,000 US dollars. So those are very good price targets. And I mean, anyway, one thing is for sure, either we're going to see this big move towards the upside if we break above the downward sloping resistance line, or the other way around, where we're going to see another plunge towards the downside. And basically, it allows us to be trading the market up or down. And I will be definitely trying to trade this market right here. If any of these criteria is going to be met, I'm going to be going long or short here on the BitGet exchange. I'm trading on BitGet because first of all, BitGet allows me to trade all over the world without using VPN and without using KYC. And I can withdraw over 30 Bitcoins without having a KYC account. And if you do sign up using the link in the description right now, you can trade on BitGet for 2 weeks without any trading fees. So make sure to check it out in the link in the description right now if you are also interested in joining me with any of these next big trades here on the market. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, I mean, I was looking at the daily support around 20.3k. I've talked about this on yesterday's video as well. I mean, I really would have loved to see Bitcoin bouncing from off the support region, because this is clearly significant resistance in the market. And I mean, I would have loved to see a bounce from off this level. However, we officially confirmed the daily candle close below. So what will I say? I will still say we should be very cautious. And that is why I will be keeping all my eyes open on this chart right here and on this range right here. And I think you should be looking at this range yourself as well. Furthermore, we can be looking at our important resistance chart, and like I told you guys days and weeks ago, these are the most important levels of resistance. And look what happened once again, we perfectly got rejected. And if we do break above this level, there's not going to be a lot of resistance left to really break. We're really close on potentially having that bullish breakout right here, right? But so far we officially still have not broken above the critical downward sloping resistance line, and currently the downward sloping resistance line is trading around 20.9k. so if we can see a candle close above that level, we could be seeing a further continuation. But still, make sure to keep your eyes wide open on these levels. If we do break above it, that is going to be the confirmation for further movement towards the upside most likely. Then looking at the Bitcoin price action on the 3-day time frame with the EMA ribbon enabled, we can currently see that we've been getting rejected by the EMA ribbon in this downtrend for quite a while already. And once again, we're trading against the EMA ribbon, and is it likely to see another rejection from this level? I mean, historically speaking, it would make a lot of sense that we are going to get rejected again, but at some point we also need to break above, right? So currently, we are trading in a key level of resistance. We're not in a bull market. We're not in an extremely bullish breakout yet so far. I think we should still stay very cautious because, I mean, on the 3-day time frame as well, we are still officially confirming lower highs, right? So that is also still a sign of worry. And what I want to be seeing is a break above that EMA ribbon because historically speaking, if you flip the EMA ribbon bullish on the 3-day time frame, you tend to see a longer uptrend getting created. And if you flip bearish on the 3-day time frame for the EMA ribbon, you tend to see a downtrend getting created also for a longer sustainable period of time in the market. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open. And once we do cross bullish on the EMA ribbon, you will be the first one to know if you're subscribed to this channel. So don't forget to slap up that subscribe button right now on the channel. It will be highly appreciated. Also looking at one interesting support line here that basically has been around since 2015. We can currently see we've been bouncing from off this level already 4 times before. And right now, once again, we're bouncing from it. And if I'm zooming in here, we can see that the price action exactly have been touching this level and so far has been bouncing from it. It's trading around 19.3k, so if we do break below it, it could be a very bearish development. But so far, every single time we basically have touched this level, we've been seeing a bounce from it. And actually, I can even extend it furthermore. And we can see that we also bounced from it in 2013. So this is a very long upward sloping support line that Bitcoin has been creating on the logarithmic time frame. Let's see how it's going to be playing out this time. I mean, if we're once again going to see another bounce from off this level, I mean, I wouldn't be all too surprised, right? That was it for today's update video. If you are interested in trading, make sure to keep your eyes wide open on this range right here. If we break below the support, that is going to be our signal to go short. If we break above the top side of resistance of the bull flag, that is our signal to go long with an insane price target around $22,000. That was it for me on today's update video. If you want to be making passive income, don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. Smash up that like button and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.